Welcome to this course on Introduction to the Python Programming and its Application. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Gate Arena. Today we will going to discuss about some of the key features of the Matplotlib. As we have already talked about that Matplotlib is a comprehensive library that are being used for creating the static images plot, animated plots, or the interactive visualization plot with the help of a Python. So if you want to create a publication quality plots, you can use this Matplotlib libraries. Even if you want to make it the interactive figures, you can use the Matplotlib libraries. If you want to use the customized visual style and the layouts, you can use this Matplotlib library. If you want that different format of a file should be exported, you can use the this Matplotlib library. For example, if you want the extension in the PDF format, JPG, PNG, all formats are being supported with the Matplotlib library. And finally, we can say that these are been embedded into the Jupyter Lab and the graphical user interface. And it provides you the rich array of a third-party packages built on the Matplotlib. So it provides you the very vast collection of a libraries to use different types of plot for your research work or your project. How you will going to install this? You have to write a command pip install matplotlib. So let's start with the different types of plots that are available in the matplotlib. So common plotting commands provided in the matplotlib includes pairwise data, statistical distribution, graded data, irregularly graded data, 3D and a volumetric data, and many. So we will going to discuss things one by one. So let's talk about the pairwise data. So pairwise data refer to a data set which each observation consists of a pairs of values. That means there is the relation between the x and y. Okay, so these pair could represent various types of relationship or a measurement, such as correlation between the variables, distance between the data point, or a comparison between different groups. So some of the plot function which we are using is the plot, stem, bar, scatter, fill between, stack plots. So these are the plots that are being created with the help of a pairwise data. And finally the stair. So next we will be talking about the statistical distribution using the matplotlib. So basically when we are talking about the statistical distribution, what we say that we have a plot of a distribution of at least one variable in a data set. Okay, so the various plot which we can use with this type of statistical distribution are like histogram, box plot, violin plots, event plots, histogram 2D plots, error bar, hexbin, ECDF, and pi. So these are some of the statistical distribution plot which we can draw with the help of a matplotlib library. Moving ahead, we have got a plot using a gridded data. So basically when we are talking about the gridded data, what the gridded data means, this type of a data typically refer to the data that is being organized in a grid or a matrix format. Okay, so that are been commonly used for the fields such as geography, meteorology, remote sensing, and image processing. So we have to draw different types of plot related to these particular fields. So basically we can use the IM show for the image. Then we have got a P color mesh. We can use a contour method. We can use a contour F. We can use a bar BS. We can use a stream plots. We can use a query. So these are some of the gridded data that can be plotted with the help of a matplotlib. Moving ahead, we have got a plot that can be used with the irregularly gridded data. So coming to the irregularly gridded data, what does it means that when we are dealing with the data that are not arranged in a regular grid pattern. That means there is the random distribution of the data points. For such random distribution of a data point, what we require this plots. So we can use a try contour methods. We use a try contour F method, try plots. we can use a tricolor method. Further moving, we have got a plot using the 3D and a volumetric data. So when we are talking about this 3D volumetric data, what does it means that when we are visualizing the 3D and a volumetric data, so Matplot provide you the tools through the libraries which is known as the MPL toolkits.mplot 3D modules. Okay, and we can visualize the data, the 3D data with the help of a Matplotlib. So we have got a scatter plot again, in which we have got a x, y, and z coordinates system. We have got a plot underscore surface. Then we have got plot tracers. Then we have got the voxels. Okay, so you can see that a lot of plots are being created with the help of a single Matplotlib libraries. So I hope you have understood this concept of a Matplotlib, why we this Matplotlib libraries are becoming more and more powerful for the visualization of our data. So thank you very much.